Hello.
Hello and good afternoon. Oh, it's evening already. How are you today?
I'm good. How about you?
I'm good too. Okay, did you go to school?
Yes, I do.
Mm-hmm. So
Every
how is
day.
school today?
It's really good.
All right, that's good to hear. So, are you ready for our class today?
Yes, I do.
Okay, did you see the homework that I posted in our FB group?
Mm, I don't. I don't see in the group because I don't in the group. Just my mom, and my mom don't show anything with me.
Oh, all right. Okay, I want you to join the group. Okay, the group name is Antado PK1417. Okay,
Okay.
so that you will be updated with the homework that I'm going to give you. All right, and now let's proceed to our class. Okay, today we will be talking about animals.
Animal.
Yes. Okay. We are now in
Okay.
Unit 5, and today is our 10th class. After 12 classes, you are going to take your monthly exam. Okay. I think that's next week. Okay.
Okay.
So let's proceed now to our class. Okay. So these are the vocabularies here on the screen. I want you to repeat after the recording. Okay.
Okay. Wait for me a little.
All right.
Okay, I'm here.
Okay, now again, I want you to repeat after the recording. I'm going to play it now. Listen carefully.
Bat, bat,
Bat. Bat.
crocodile, crocodile,
Crocodile.
Goat,
Crocodile. Goat.
dolphin, dolphin,
Dolphin.
butterfly,
Dolphin. Butterfly.
camel,
Camel.
dinosaur,
Dinosaur.
octopus,
Octopus.
Swan,
Swan.
All right, very good. So I'm sure you know all those animals, right?
Yes.
Okay, that's great. Now let's proceed to the next slide. Okay. Now I want you to look at the screen. Let's answer how do they move? Write the animals below each word. So here, okay. I want you to write on the screen what animals can run, fly, jump,
What
swim,
is mean hope?
hop, hop, like that. It's like
Okay.
you're jumping instead of walking, instead of stepping, you are hopping to the next step.
The run fly is a bat. This is swim. Fish. Goat is run. Like hop fly is run and jump.
Have you seen a kangaroo?
It's like run and jump like that.
Yeah. Instead of
Uh,
stepping, instead of walking, you are hopping. It's like you are jumping one step.
crocodile. Jump, run, mouse. Oh, mouse, hope, like kangaroo. Kangaroo. Goat is run too. Goat. Dolphin is swim. Dolphin. Fly is bird. Bird. Oh, bird. Dolphin knows crocodile kangaroo. Run. Rust kangaroo too. Oh, I think James came. Kangaroo. I'm done.
All right. Let's check all your answers. Okay. There are some animals can jump and there are some animals can run and they can hop at the same time. So let's check. Mouse, goat. Oh, the crocodile. Bat, bird. Oh, the bird also can jump. Kangaroo, fish, crocodile, kangaroo, goat, and dolphin. All right, you just missed one. Okay, this one. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 11 points. Okay, now you have 11 points for activity A. Now, let's try to fill in the columns with other animals. Okay, think of an animals that can fly, jump, swim, hop.
Let's see.
Think of other animals that can fly.
Fly is butterfly.
Oh, there's a parrot also, butterfly. Okay, jump.
A dog can jump too.
A frog, a
Frog,
horse.
a
Okay,
horse.
they can jump. A dog.
A
Okay,
swim.
swim. Octopus. What else?
Octopus.
Yeah.
Starfish.
Okay. Hop, rabbit, and insects. Okay.
Insects. What's mean?
What? Can you say it again?
Okay. No.
Okay. Now we are in letter B, activity B. Look and read. Choose the correct word and write it on the line. Okay, here. Look at the example.
Okay.
There's a rabbit.
Look and read. Choose
Yes.
the correct word and write it on the line.
Yes, like this one. Look at the example. This wild animal usually has gray fur, and when it feels frightened, it hops away very quickly. So the answer is rabbit. Now write your answers from 2 to 7. Okay? Take your time. Write your answers on the screen.
Okay, I'm done.
All right. Now let's check all your answers. Okay, number 2. This is an insect that works hard to make honey. Your answer is butterflies. Oh, the correct answer here is the bees. Okay, it's the bee. Here, okay, look at the answers. Wait. B, okay, number 3 is camel, 4 is swans, 5 is octopus, 6 is butterflies, and 7 is dinosaurs. Okay, I want you to read, okay, I want you to read number 1. Okay, please read the number 1 and
This winged animal usually has red fur, and when it falls, 5 that is hop always very quickly.
all right. This wild, okay, this is wild animal. It hops, okay, hops.
Hop,
Okay, now please repeat after me the number 2. This is an insect that works hard to make money. Oh, honey. This is an insect that works hard to make honey.
if I have this animal, I will buy it to myself.
Yeah, me too. Okay, I want you to repeat after me. This is an
This
insect.
is an insect that works hard to make honey.
Okay, that's great. Now let's read the number 3. This animal has a long neck and can carry heavy bags for a long time in hot, dry places.
This animal has a long neck and can carry heavy bags for a long time in hot, dry plants.
Places. All right, number 4. These big birds are usually white. They have long necks and live near rivers and lakes.
These big birds are usually white. They have long necks and live near rivers or lakes.
Good job. Number 5. This animal lives in the sea and has 8 long arms.
This animal lives in the sea and has 8 long arms.
Very good. These have wings and lots of different colors on them. They fly and sit on plants and flowers.
These have wings with lots different colors on them. They fly and sit on plants and flowers.
Okay, number 7. These animals are extinct now, so we can only see them in cartoons, films, storybooks, or museums.
This animal is extinct now, so we can only see them in the cartoons, film, storybook, or museum.
Okay, again, extinct,
Stand
cartoons.
cartoon.
You said carrots a while ago. It's cartons. Okay. So I'm going to add, this is wrong. Okay. I'm going to add 4 points to your score. Okay, your score now is 15 over 18. Now let's proceed to the next activity.
I haven't had dinner yet, so I'm so hungry now.
Okay, let's finish this. We have 25 minutes more to go, and then let's have dinner together. Me too, I didn't have dinner. Okay, write sentences about animals. Okay, here I want you to think of an animal. Where does it live? In the water, on land, in hot or cold places? Okay, what does it eat? Plants, meat? Okay, and then what does it look like? Is your animal big or small? What color is it? Does it have spots or stripes? Does it have legs, wings? Okay, how does it move? Okay, I want you to think
Okay.
of an animal and write your answers in the blank here.
Okay. This animal live in some house of people. It
Mm-hmm.
is some food for it. Okay, it's a dog. It goes full leg. Yeah.
All
Like
right.
it's my dog is so small like this. It's just like this. Yeah. Uh okay.
Okay, that's it. That's it. All right, good job. Now, let's proceed. Okay, the comparisons with adjective. Okay, here, let's
Yeah.
compare an adjective. Do you know what is an adjective?
Where is it?
It's a word to describe the noun, pronoun. Okay, it's
Oh,
like, look at the example. The ball. The ball is big. Okay. Now, if you are comparing two balls, okay, you will say the first ball is bigger than the second ball. Okay.
yeah.
Now, for the superlative form, this ball is the biggest of all the balls I've seen. Okay, now I want you to note that to put the before a superlative. Okay, here, one syllable. Do you know what is a syllable, Anne?
Okay.
Okay.
Let me see.
Mm.
One is right.
Clear? One
Clear.
syllable. It means
One
one word.
syllable.
Oh, yeah, one word only. Clear,
One
right?
syllable. Yeah.
Clear. Now,
Clear.
for the superlative form, you are going to add ER. Look at this.
Yes, I know.
Came clearer. Okay? From clear,
Okay.
it became clearer. Clearer. Now, to make it into a superlative form, you are going to add EST. Okay? So it became clearest. Clear, clearer,
Clear.
clearest. Okay.
Clear.
Dark, darker, darkest. Okay, can you think of a word that has one syllable only?
One syllable. It's like
Like, okay. Like,
no dog.
can you say it again?
Dog.
Duck? A du-
A dog.
right. Duck is not an adjective, it's a noun.
Oh. Let me say. Line.
Example, the duck is small, right? So the
Okay.
adjective is small. It describes the duck, that the duck is small. Okay, to make it into comparative form, it became smaller, smallest. Okay? All right. Let's proceed to one syllable ending in letter E. If the word ends with letter E, like for example, simple and wise. Okay? In the comparative form, instead of ER, you are going to add R.
R.
R only. And then for the, instead of EST, you are going to add ST. Okay? So the word wise and simple, it became wiser, simpler. Wisest, simplest. Okay, I want you to give me an example of adjective that ends with letter E.
Okay, E. Let me see. Don't know. Okay, I don't know. Any word?
Okay, the word large.
What?
Yeah, large. It ends in E. Okay, what is the comparative form of the word large?
Large, larger.
All right,
Largest.
and largest. Okay, very good. Now for adjectives ending with one vowel and one consonant. Like for example, thin and fat. Okay,
Thin
the
and
word.
fat.
It became thinner and fatter.
Thin,
Tiniest, fattiest. So again, you are going
fattest.
to add ER for the comparative and EST for the superlative. Okay, it's the same with two syllables ending in one syllable. Okay, it's the same with one syllable and adjectives ending with one vowel and one consonant. Okay, now for the two syllables ending in Y, you are going to change Y to I and add ER for the comparative and erase the I, change it into letter I and add EST. Now look at the example. From busy, it became busier and it became busiest. Okay, busy, busier, busiest. Merry, merrier, merriest.
Okay, and that. And write it down.
Okay, now for three or more syllables, okay, you are going to use more and most. Like creative, cre creative. So that's three syllables. Creative. So in the comparative form, you are going to add more. So it became more creative. For the superlative form, you are going to add most and then add the adjective. It became most creative. Okay. Another is popular. Okay. More popular, most popular.
Oh my god. Ah.
Okay, now for irregular. Oh, what happened?
I have hurt with my leg.
Okay. Now for irregular adjectives. Okay. From good, it became bitter and the best. Bad, it became worse and worst. Little, less, and least. much, more, and most.
Okay.
Okay. So, do you have any question
Oh,
before we proceed?
no.
Okay. So again, if it is one syllable, add er and est. One syllable ending in e, add r and st only. Adjectives ending with one vowel and one consonant, again, add er and add est. The same with two syllables ending in y, but you need to take note if the word ends in y, change y to I and add er or est. Okay. All right. Again, what are we
Yes.
going to do for two syllables ending in yn?
Make an example for it, right?
Mhm. If the adjectives ends in y, you are going to erase the y, okay, and change it into letter I, add er for the comparative form, and est for the superlative. Like for example, busy. It became busier and busiest. Merry, merrier, merriest. Okay, take note of that. If two syllables ending in y, change the y into letter I and add er for comparative and est for the superlative. Okay, since you don't have any more questions, now let's proceed to the next slide. All right, here's the question, Anne. What do you know about dinosaurs?
Dinosaur is a big animal, angry, and I don't know.
Okay, me too. I do know a lot about dinosaurs, but I know that um they eat meat, okay, and they don't exist right now. But let's take a look at the next slide, okay? You are going to answer this. This is based on the dinosaurs. Now, there are questions from 1 to 10, and there is one example. Dinosaurs lived on our planet 150 million years ago. The first dinosaurs, okay, here, look at the screen. This is where you are going to choose your answer from 1 to 10. Write it in the blank, like the example, okay? It lived. The answer for number 1 is lived. I want you to write it down in the blanks here. This is 10 points. Okay, write your answers on the screen.
Okay, I like circle it with it.
Write it on the screen.
Dinosaurs live on our planet. Let's go. The first dinosaur Okay, I'm done. Okay, I'm done.
All right, I'm going to check your answers. Number 1 is looked and small in of the. Oh, number 7 is that. My plants that dinosaurs like. Okay, it's not who. Number 8, find. It's them. Today, people sometimes. What? But you can learn about them in special. Right, it's them. 10, it's museum. Okay, you got 8 correct answers here. Okay, I'm going to add 8 to your score. Your score now is 19 over 32. Am I correct? It's not 19. It's 29 over 32. Okay, now let's read the story of the dinosaurs. Okay, I want you to read it and provide the correct answers that you in the blank. And I'm going to underline some words that you mispronounce, okay? Okay, I want you to read the story now about the dinosaurs.
Dinosaurs lived on our planet 150
million years.
million years ago. Their first dinosaur looked like big zebra. Many of them had short tail, big head, and were on four legs. Most dinosaurs had both, which means that they only eat plants. Some of these dinosaurs very small, but other kind of dinosaurs were bigger and heavier and were careless, right? Which means that they ate meat. Dinosaurs lived in one forest where there were lots of plants and water. But se- uh, 16 million years ago, some people say the weather on our planet suddenly got colder and darker. Many plants, many plants, what? Dinosaur lives
Dot.
like that. I stop growling. What have terrible problem of this animal so soon? Animal the district too. Today people sometimes find dinosaurs teeth in rocks on under the ground. Dinosaurs are now extinct, but you can learn about them in a science museum or when you watch dinosaur film on TV.
Okay, good job. I just underlined 6 words. Okay, now I want you to repeat after me. This is a planet. Planet.
Planet.
All right, it's planet. Remember that. And this is lizards.
Lizard.
Herbivores.
Herbivore.
Right, one more time. Herbivores.
Herbivore.
Okay, it means they only eat plants. Now, carnivores,
Cannibals.
which means they eat meat. Okay, this is which.
Oh, what?
Which,
Okay, sorry. Which?
which was.
Which was?
Good job. Special,
Specials.
special.
Specials.
Okay, that's it. Good job, Anne. Very good. Okay, again, um, I want you to join on our FB group, okay? And the
Okay.
Pantado PK1417 so that you will be updated with the homeworks that I'm going to give you. And today is our 10th class. We will meet again on Saturday, right?
Oh, yeah.
Saturday, 11th class, and then again our next on next week. Wait, let me check. Next week, Monday. Okay. Saturday is our 11th class. Monday is our 12th class. So, on next Thursday, you are going to take your first examination in Pantado Center. Okay?
Okay.
All right. So, do you have questions, Anne?
No, I don't have any questions.
Okay, that's great. All right. We will continue this on our next meeting on Saturday. Okay, good job because you got 3 mistakes only today. Your score is 29/32. Now, we will continue this class on Saturday, okay?
No?
All right. Okay, and you don't have questions, right?
No, I don't have any questions.
Okay, that's good to hear. So, Anne, let's end our class today and see you again on Saturday. Okay? Goodbye, Anne.
But,
Goodbye.
have a good
Bye-bye.
dinner.
And goodbye. Okay,
Okay,
goodbye. Eat
goodbye.
your dinner
Goodbye.
now.
Okay, goodbye. Goodbye. Goodbye.